Welcome to digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about importance of pricing embroidery projects for profit. Properly pricing embroidery projects is a crucial aspect of running a successful and sustainable embroidery business. It ensures that your business remains profitable while providing value to your customers. The main objective is to strike a balance between covering all costs, ensuring a fair profit margin, and staying competitive in the market. Mispricing can lead to financial losses or losing potential customers to competitors, so understanding the nuances of pricing is essential. Factors to consider when pricing embroidery projects. 1. Cost of materials. The first step in determining your price is to calculate the cost of materials. This includes embroidery, thread stabilizers, and backing materials, garments or items being embroidered, needles and other consumables. Ensure that you account for every item used in the production process, even the small ones, as they can add up over time. 2. Labor costs. Your time is valuable, and it's important to include labor costs in your pricing. Consider the time spent on designing or digitizing the embroidery pattern, setting up the machine, monitoring and quality checking during the embroidery process, final touches like trimming, packing, and shipping. You can calculate an hourly rate for your labor and multiply it by the hours spent on a project to determine this cost. 3. Overhead costs. Don't forget about the indirect costs of running your business. These include electricity and utilities, machine maintenance and depreciation, software subscriptions for digitizing, rent or workspace costs, marketing and administrative expenses. Overhead costs should be distributed across all projects to ensure they are adequately covered. 4. Complexity of the design. The complexity of the embroidery design plays a significant role in pricing. More intricate designs with higher stitch counts and color changes take longer to produce and may require advanced digitizing. Charge a premium for highly detailed or custom designs to reflect the additional effort and skill required. 5. Market research and competitor pricing. Understanding the market rates for similar embroidery projects can help you set a competitive price. Research your competitors to see what they charge for comparable products. However, avoid underpricing just to compete, as this can devalue your work and hurt your profitability in the long run. Pricing models for embroidery projects. 1. Cost plus pricing. In this model, you calculate the total cost of materials, labor, and overhead, and then add a profit margin. For example, total cost $20, desired profit margin $50%, selling price $20 plus $20 x 0.5 $30. This approach ensures that all costs are covered and you achieve your desired profit. 2. Stitch count pricing. Many embroidery businesses use stitch count to determine pricing. A standard rate per 1,000 stitches, for example, $1 per 1,000 stitches, is applied. For instance, design with 10,000 stitches $10 base stitch cost. Additional charges may apply for setup fees, special threads, or complex designs. 3. Flat rate pricing. Flat rate pricing is ideal for standard products or bulk orders. For example, you can set a fixed price for embroidered polo shirts or hats. This model simplifies pricing for your customers and helps streamline your quoting process. Tips for maximizing profit. 1. Charge for setup and digitizing. Digitizing is a specialized skill that takes time and expertise. Always charge a separate fee for digitizing services unless it's included in a package deal. 2. Offer volume discounts. Encourage bulk orders by offering discounts for larger quantities. This not only increases your sales volume, but also improves efficiency by reducing per unit production costs. 3. Upsell and cross-sell. Increase your average order value by offering additional products or services. For example, you can suggest matching embroidered caps with an order of polo shirts. 4. Keep track of time and costs. Use tools or software to track the time spent on each project and the materials used. This data can help you refine your pricing strategy over time. Conclusion: pricing embroidery projects for profit requires a clear understanding of your costs, the value of your time, and the market you're operating in. By considering factors like material costs, labor, overhead, and design complexity, you can set fair and profitable prices. Employing effective pricing models and strategies ensures that your embroidery business thrives while delivering quality products to your customers. Always remember, pricing is not just about covering costs, it's about valuing your work and building a sustainable business. If you are looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then Digitizing.com is your perfect partner for precision and excellence. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at Digitizing.com or visit the website Digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.